Today we are going to prove the Brewster's law. The law states that the tangent of polarizing angle is equal to the refractive index of the reflective medium. Mu is equal to tan of IP. The reflected and the refracted rays are perpendicular to each other. Now let us look at this diagram. This one, this is say A, this is O, this is the normal N dash, this is the reflected ray OB and the refracted ray OC. Now this AO incident ray is the unpolarized light, which we represent by the arrows and the dots. The reflected ray is polarized, completely polarized light. So this one is the unpolarized light. This one is a polarized light. This one here, the refracted ray, is the partially polarized light. Partially polarized light. Angle, this angle AON is the angle of incidence IP. According to Brewster's law, this angle here BOC is 90 degrees. Now let us use Snell's law. So according to Snell's law, mu is equal to sine of IP upon sine of RP, where IP is the angle of incidence, RP is the angle of refraction. So this one here is angle RP. Now let us look at this diagram. You see that this angle from here N to this N dash, it is 180 degrees. So we can say that angle NOB plus BOC plus angle CON dash is equal to 180 degrees. That is BOC, we don't know BOC, so only this one has to be found out. NOB, BOC is 90 degrees here. CON is RP. Now how will you find NOB? Now according to the laws of reflection, IP will be equal to the angle of reflection, that is angle NOB. Therefore, if this one is equation 1, this is equation 2, then IP plus 90 degrees plus RP is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, we have RP is equal to 90, minus IP. This is equation 3. Substituting 3 in 1, we get mu is equal to sine of IP upon sine of 90 minus IP. That is equal to sine of IP upon cos of IP, which is equal to tan of IP. Therefore, mu is equal to tan of IP. Hence, we prove Brewster's law. Brewster's law is proved.